still filming. I think these boats do it just for the hell of it. Just trying to stir this lot up. Absolute nightmare. Absolute washing machine. Look at the state of this. I don't think it gets much worse than this, does it? Jeez Christ. I've still got the video running. I think we might have been through the worst. What about that? Here we go again. Yeah, paddle on this side, my side. Right. Hang on. Keep going. Keep going. We're getting that. There are the rocks. Keep clear of the rocks. And St Malo is just over there under the lighthouse, which is where the beach is, where we're headed.